Hi guys, welcome back to Error Genie. In today's video, we'll tackle a major problem many iPhone 16 and 16 Pro Max users are experiencing: overheating and battery drain. This issue has been causing frustration for many, but don't worry, we've got you covered with simple and advanced steps to resolve it. Let's get started. Step 1. Check background app activity. Open Settings. On your iPhone, go to the Settings app. Search for Background App Refresh, or find it under General then Background App Refresh. Disable Unused Apps. Turn off background refresh for apps you rarely use. Example: if you don't use an app like Zom, simply toggle it off. This prevents unnecessary processes from draining your battery and heating your device. Step 2. Close background apps. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to view recent apps. Swipe up on all apps to close them entirely. This ensures no background processes are running that could cause overheating. Step 3. Update your iPhone. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. Check if an update is available. If yes, download and install it. Apple often releases updates that address performance issues. Step 4. Reset all settings, open Settings, then General, then Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then Reset all settings. This doesn't delete your data, but resets settings to default, which can fix minor glitches. Step 5. Advanced step. Erase all content and settings. If the issue persists, try a full reset. Go to Settings, then General, then Transfer, or Reset iPhone, then erase all content and settings. Ensure you back up your data first. This will restore your iPhone to its factory settings. Step 6. Contact Apple Support. Download the Apple Support app from the App Store. Open the app, select your device, and choose a relevant issue like battery or overheating. Follow the prompts to connect with Apple's support team for additional help. That's it for today's video. We hope these steps help resolve your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro Max issues. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Error Genie for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.